As the presiding officer said yesterday and was confirmed earlier, any person can raise the matter. Pwede po nilang i-exhaust yung kanilang mga legal remedies and yun po yung nakita natin. But since meron na pong kaso po sa Supreme Court yun, we will respect the sub judice rule at hindi na po mag-comment yung impeachment court regarding that matter.
But pag maglabas ng TRO, susunod po yun?
Hindi, I think pagbobotohan po yun ng impeachment court as collegial body.
Ano pa bobotohan?
Yung kung katulad po ng last year, no, pinagbotohan po nila yung mga insidente na may concern po sa pag-i-implement po ng mga orders ng ibang bodies or branches of government. So, because this is a collegial body, not a single person can speak for the body. So, mas mabuti pong pagbobotohan kung susundan ng Kongreso o ng Senado yung mga ganong order from another co-equal branch of government.
So kahit po mayroon ganun petition, magpapatuloy lang.
Tama po. Dahil wala naman pong issue na TRO or status quo ante. Of course, it is within the plenary powers of any co-equal branch of government. However, as we have seen before po, the Senate always respects the balance of power. So kung yun po yung guidance natin, makikita po natin na susundin nila yung co-equal branch of government nila so long as it does not prevent them from exercising their own powers under the Constitution. So pag ganyan po, ayaw po natin ng constitutional crisis and sa history naman po ng ating mga three branches of government, wala pa naman tayo umabot doon sa ganong pag-violate ng co-equality ng mga branches of government.